How to pin in Wix Studio. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to pin elements into your Wix Studio website. The process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, choose up the Wix Studio website that we want to have the setup for it. We're going to, as you can see, have the built on Wix Studio label on the website that we have chosen. If you have seen that, it is going to be the correct path. If you didn't see it, we can go ahead and have another website created within Wix Studio. Now, what are we going to do is going to be very simple. We can go ahead and head over here. Once we have been here, we are going to click on Edit Site. Click on Edit Site. It is going to open up the website right there, and it is going to be the case. Now, what can we do is going to be heading over the element where we want to pin it. And it is not going to be a matter of having the three dots here or something like that. But we can go ahead and head over the element inspector. For example, I can go ahead and select this one. And we're going to head over the position. So when you are going to head over the position, we can see the position type. I click on this. As you can see, we have three, as you can see, main effects. The first one is going to be the sticky. The second one is going to be the pinned. The third one is going to be the default, which is not going to be having something sticky nor pinned, but basically it is going to be dynamic. I click on pinned, and it is going to be pinning this specific element that we have chosen into either you're going to put the section or the page. If you're going to make it for the page, it is going to be scrolling with you the whole time. But if you're going to pin it to the page or to the section, you're going to have it just like that. So I'm going to be back to put it as pinned. We select the section so it is not going to move. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.